we are going to create a new project. New project, okay, is a C++ project. Next, okay, so can we call these TTT TTT project? All right, so TTT project created. All right, so at my TTT project right here, let me want to create my Tic Tac Toe. So I add my class. The class is going to call TTT, Tic Tac Toe. Okay, okay. Now I need to create this right now. So a class always has two parts. All right, always has two parts. The first part is private, which store your private variable. The class variable you need from line 1 to line whatever, okay? Then right here is public. Who has a question right there? Okay, let me see who has a question right here. Just a minute, okay? Visual Studio isn't on the screen yet. Okay, so let me, this thing is new sharing. Okay, so Visual Studio is on right now. Yes or no? Okay, so now do you have opportunity to create a project and call Tic Tac Toe? Okay, so the private is the class variable. Class variable is a variable you see from line 1 to line forever. Okay, for this one is your character char. All right, and we are going to have this one is okay. Let's call this board. It's okay. 1, 2. Can you tell me why I put 2? Huh? Because it's two-dimensional array, right? 3 and 3 and equal nothing right now. All right, can you do that for me? That means your private variable is a two-dimensional character array. Is okay? Are you okay right now? All right, so anybody? So I have a two-dimensional array. Okay, all right, so I have a two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array is 2 by 2. Is that okay? Now I am going to write here right now in my public. Okay, so don't even to think about it. Has to be my TTT constructor, right? So I write my constructor TTT. The thing is, I can actually write the code inside my constructor. Okay, that's okay. But we are going to do this because this one we have more code right there. So we are going to write something called void initialize initialization initialize board. Okay, can we do like that? Initialize board. It's okay. So now I am going to create it too. It's okay. Now I'm going to promote myself right now. All right. So let me drag my TTT. Let me drag my TTT to here for you. It's okay. So gentlemen, ladies, one more time. I have a I have a private variable. It's a two-dimensional array character board. Character. Two-dimensional character array. All right. So let me write my initialization board. My initialization board is just going to draw 3 rows of 3 rows. Each row has a dash. So 3 rows. Each row has 3 dash. That silly thing. You saw me, I do it. Let me do it with you. So 4 tab. Change this to int. All right. And change this to 3 because it's 3 by 3. Okay. Change this to 3. And let me do another one here for my column. So 4 tab. Okay. And let me do this right here, int. And this is J right now. I'm going to call it J. Okay, I'm going to call J. Now this is also 3. All right. So the first one is the row. The second 4 is for the column. It's called nested for loop. I'm going to copy the thing, Control X, put it inside because nested for loop. Is that right? All I didn't do anything special. All I did is inside my inside my two-dimensional array. Okay. Then index is I and j, right? Index is I and j. And I am going to put equal and dash. That's all but all right. So I am going to put a dash. That's it. Okay. That's it. So far okay for you? I put a dash right there. But now, and you really cannot see anything right here. And also my constructor is going to call this. So ini initialization board. Okay? My constructor, line number 5 will call A to 19. Line number 5 will call A to 18. It's okay? Now, right now it's useless to run there because you cannot see anything. So right here, watch me. So line here, when you call TTT, all right? So TTT will call this. So now let's write our main program right now. It's okay? Please. So, by the way, I cannot see anything yet. I need to print it out. Is that right? So another thing that's right here, everybody, we're going to say void and print board. It's okay? Print board. Okay? Void print board. It's okay? Then let it write it for us, okay? So I'm print board right here, right now. I'm going to print board. Okay. So print board here, you need to remember what I say. All right. So print board here. You are a programmer, so you follow the instruction I told you. Is that right? So you are going to first you are going to copy this line. That double for loop. Let's don't write it again. Control C. All right, Control V. We already have that, but we have to fix it. We know we are going to fix it. Is that okay? So now remember, when outside you have 4 dash line. One of the first dash line has to do it outside the for loop. So you say this, CL. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? Put like that. Right. So this is outside. But now you have CL, they don't understand because you have to include IO string. And using namespace std. All right, you have to do like that. All right, now they understand the CL right now. So, gentlemen, ladies, that's outside the for loop because you have 4 dash line. you have only 3 I, 0, 1, 2, right? So I have to draw it outside. After outside, now here, my I equal 0 right now. When my I equals 0, do the exactly thing I told you. All right, you're going to draw a vertical line, a space. That's it. Once you draw the vertical line in space, you moving into your J. Your J, you do 3 sets. J 0, 1, and 2. 3 sets of these. In each set, you print your dash. You print your dash. The dash is printed right now. Then you print this. You print the space, vertical line, space. That's what you print. All right? So you print like that. So now, remember, I equals 0, you print vertical line, space. Now J 0, 1, 2, you print 3 sets of dash, blank, vertical line, and dash. Now you finish that, right? When you finish that, your J. Before you go I to the next line, once you hear, your I will become 1. Now your I is not 1 yet. You're still on the same I. You want to move your cursor to next line. Your cursor move to next line right now. Then you do the same thing. You're going to print that line. You're going to print that line. Okay? So now you have 3 lines right now. Okay? So you have 3 lines. Now I'm going to write my main program right now. Okay? I'm going to write my main program right here. So I say here, add new item right now, and in C++, I'm going to say play game. All right, play game right here. All right, so let me hold on. All right, so let me have enough more space right here. It's okay, and I'll adjust the space later for you. It's okay. All right, so I'm going to do this right now. So golden 7 line, include IO string using namespace std and integer main. All right, so system pass return 0. All right, so now of course the first line I have to include my TTT. Is that right? Okay, so I'm ready right now. Okay, I'm ready to show you right here. All right, so let's see. Let's make this to 150% to see more things. Is that okay? All right, so I want to see here right now. Okay, so now I have this right now. So I'm going to call my TTT. TTT, that's my class. I'm going to call my TTT. Okay, got it. All right, so at this moment, you call your constructor. That's your constructor. You call your constructor. So they initialize a board. So at this moment, your Visual Studio already create 2-dimensional array, and it's a character array, and each one of them has it has 3 rows of dash. Each row has 3 dash. All right, but you don't see them until you print them. So you say my TTT dot print. Okay, print board. Now you see this right now. Okay, let me run it right for you right now. So so far okay. Now you build it. And you start without debugging. So your board is printed out right now. All right. This is your project number 1. You didn't do anything. You just print a board. Be ready. But I need you to have this right now. Is that okay? I need you to have. Let me wait for you to create. All right. So hold on. No, let me come to All right. The sounds cut off again. No, mine is okay. All right. All right. Now I'm going to ask you to generate the .exe and copy the code. All right. And this is your chapter 9 project. All right. So I need you to do this, okay? 2 minutes. And I need to do part 2 with you. All right? It's okay?